On this saw, you adjust this. This is your guide. You adjust that, and if you look from the side, that allows you to adjust the depth of your blade. So let me show you how and why that comes in handy. I'll take a 2x4 for instance, and say like you need to cut 2x4s. If I take this, let me walk around here, and I just push this as far as it will go, and then I tighten it, you can see, if you look down, the saw blade goes well beyond the depth of this 2x4. It hangs down another inch or so. You do not want to make cuts like that. The way you want to set your saw up is to cut just below where you need that cut to be made. So again, you can eyeball it, and it doesn't have to be exact, but I want it to sit just a little bit below. Now I can tighten it. And when I make my cut, I know that it's going to clear this 2x4. It's going to cut just a little bit beyond where the 2x4 sits. And it's a lot safer for your blade. It keeps your blade cooler. It prolongs the life of your blade. So, again, on every saw, it's going to be a little bit different. For the DEWALT, this is how you adjust this. For this RYOBI, you have a little screw on the back that allows you to move it up and down to adjust it. On the SKILSAWs, this is the best one to show you. Here's your lever, and that allows you to move it up and down. So depending on the saw you have, you're gonna have to play with it, but this should give you a good idea of where you can locate this on every saw. It will also give you a good idea of buttons, the different areas for the buttons to stop the blade. So on the SKILSAW, you have a button right here. That button is what we were talking about earlier, will stop this blade. So if I move my safety guide, I've got the button pushed. I can't move this blade now. So I can take this key when I want to take the saw off. This allows me to move the blade with the key. I push the button right here, and as you'll see, as I rotate, I've still got the button pushed. There's the stop. So it stopped. So now I can take the blade on and off. Now the